Hey, what's going on? I hope you're having an awesome day, and in this quick video I'm going to be going over how you can actually get the 9 secret funnels. So before we begin, make sure you click that link down below. You can pretty much follow along with what I'm going to be doing. You should get taken to a page very similar to this, but it might be different. As long as it's ClickFunnels, they're always testing out new things, putting new videos, so just keep that in mind. Okay, what you'd want to do is go to start your free 14-day trial. This is assuming that you don't have ClickFunnels yet. Okay, and what you would need to do is pretty much just get started. Could be with the trial where you start off with for $0, then $97 a month, or $0 and then $297 a month. Or if you're a high roller, you really want to get started with ClickFunnels, they just added the annual version to this where you can actually get 2 months free for each of these depending on how much you want to go with. All right, so for example, let's just say we started off with this one. You would go here. Okay, now I'm not going to actually enter in my information. I already have a ClickFunnels account, so I don't want to just go through with that and create a random fake account seeing I don't need one, seeing I have one. But once you do this, enter it in and you go to create your account. When you go to enter your credit card, there's going to be an offer where you can check off a box that says, yes, I would like to add the 9 secret funnels to the basically ClickFunnels account. So that's how you would get it. It is a upsell to it. I do highly recommend it if you really want to get started with ClickFunnels and you want more information about the types of funnels that you can use to create for your online business, build your business, make more money, and so on and so forth. Then it's definitely going to be for you. Pretty cool, right? So hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead, click the link down below, get started with ClickFunnels, and you can also get the additional 9 secret funnels going along with ClickFunnels. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice